Drivers at the ready, starting in 3, 2, 1, go! All 6 robots in motion. First score goes to 581. Here comes Eagle Force, though, as they also score on their high end. 581 does manage to get a handoff from the feeder out of the human player, but they're still grasping onto the coral. Firmly grasp it, as the cartoons say, as wow, here comes 581, barely holding onto that coral, and that one was a miss because of it. Well, let's see, the Red Alliance has sent across our rookie, Brain Shift, to go play some defense. This is one of their first events, and they've now had an opportunity to see some matches played out. Let's see what they can bring to the table. Blue Alliance similarly sending across a defender. Septobots are choosing to play some zone coverage defense, trying to deny 581, but 581 barely sneaking out with that coral, as they do get it scored up and onto the L4, and then immediately go and exhaust an algae out of the reef. The Red Alliance defense seems to be somewhat working here, as Eagle Force has now had to really go to the feeder station perhaps they're less familiar with. These coral are just not seeming to go in, and now we're starting to build up a barrier, making it hard for them to get the coral in further. 581 working very nicely now with 9114. The Rotationaries and Blazing Bulldogs doing well to score on their reef. They've got 6 up high, 4 on the next level. Cooperation seems a ways away, so this is going to have to be a lot more coral scored in the next 45 seconds to get a ranking point. As Blazing Bulldogs, unfortunately, dropping that algae and trying to choose what to do. Seems the floor algae mechanism is maybe a little undertuned there, but they are successful in the coral acquisition. Look at how fast that robot is getting it from the floor. Blue Alliance really had a hard time this match. The defense against 339 Brain Shift is fantastic, as, oh, this is some big collisions here, as the Red Alliance has done some damage now, knocking the Blue Alliance robots around, knocking coral out of the field. The referees will have to look at that, but we do manage to get 581 off the ground with their partner parked in the zone. Looking to be perhaps a good 5 RP. Match goes Red Alliance. 112 points is a strong showing for Red, with 5 ranking points keeps the Blazing Bulldogs up at that #1 seed. Let's hear about how that worked out.